This is a 1.5-ton mini-split air conditioner circuit board. Now the circuit board has been powered on, and it has turned on successfully. Now I will turn it on using the remote, and it has turned on. Currently, the unit is set to 16 degrees, and the fan motor is running. Now, you can see that the error code is being displayed on the screen. The error code 36 is showing up. Whenever error 36 appears, the outdoor unit will stop working, but the indoor blower will keep running without producing cooling. Meaning of error 36, serial communication error. This error occurs when communication between the indoor and outdoor units is lost. The possible causes include 1. Loose or cut wiring between the indoor and outdoor units. If any wire gets disconnected or damaged, the serial communication is interrupted, leading to error 36. 2. Faulty switching relay. The relay is responsible for switching signals. Power is coming from one side and returning via the black wire. If the relay becomes faulty, it will also trigger error 36. You should check the relay, and if it is damaged, replace it. 3. Blown fuse of outdoor unit. If the fuse in the outdoor unit burns out, error 36 will appear on the display, and the outdoor unit will stop functioning. Check the fuse and replace it if necessary. 4. Faulty outdoor PCB. If the fuse is okay, but the outdoor unit still does not work, this indicates that the outdoor PCB is faulty. A component on the outdoor PCB might be damaged, causing error 36. You need to repair or replace the outdoor PCB to eliminate the error. Once the fault is fixed, the error 36 will disappear from the display, and the unit will return to working condition. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.